Hello friends. Today we're making a super cute Janmashtami craft. First, take a white sheet, using an earbud. Make tricolor dots, saffron, white, and green for a festive background. In the center, draw a colorful hanging matki. Now for our gopals, take a small potato. Cut it in half. Dip the smaller half in black paint for the head, and the bigger half in blue paint for the body. Stamp them below the matki. With a black marker, draw arms reaching up, little legs. Repeat to make 2 more gopals below the first. Forming a pyramid, just like the real Dahi Handi. Add decorations. Let it dry, and your adorable Janmashtami scene is ready. Happy Janmashtami! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun crafts.